Okay, so next up is Yie Ar Kung-Fu, which I believe is the type of Kung Fu practiced in Texas. Because Yie Ar... I know, I'm great. This is like your basic Kung Fu game. And the first 3 opponents are really easy to beat because you just hold the fire button and up. This one throws stars, but is also completely defenseless against holding up in the fire button. The next one is a little less defenseless. But I barely win. And I don't remember, I used to be able to beat the 4th one as a kid, but now I no longer know how. Because once he hits you with that thing, you can't escape anymore. Like, you can't do anything. He hits you and then... I don't know what to do against that. Oh, I hit him. Amazing. Oh, I almost beat him. Amazing. Let's see if I can just keep doing that. Maybe one day I beat him. And can't escape again. But it almost worked once. I'll try one more time. Otherwise this will be a really short video. Yeah. So, never mind that. I don't know how to beat that one, even though I almost did. Yeah, whatever.